So you just booked a flat tire appointment with GetTread.com, and I've got 3 tips for you to make sure it goes super smooth. Tip number 1. Check to see if you have wheel locks. Take a look at this image and you'll notice all the lugs look the same. Now take a look at this image. Notice how one of the lugs looks slightly different. That is a locking lug, and you need this key or something that looks like it to remove it. Notice how it fits snugly when it's the correct tool. You can find this tool most likely in your glove compartment, in the rear trunk cargo area or toolbox space, or in the specialty toolkit that may come with your vehicle. Tip number 2. Park your car safely so that you have at least 6 feet of space around the vehicle so we can work on it. And last one, tip number 3. Make sure the ground is level and firm. That way our technicians can work on it safely. So there you go, the top 3 tips to make sure that your mobile tire installation goes super smooth. Thanks again for choosing GetTread.com. See you soon.